Yo, how we doing today, y'all boys? I want to start this off by saying I completely screwed myself over today. Um, it was not good. Let me explain. All right, so coming into the day, um, we pushed up. We got this break out of this level, but I really didn't like it because it went hard. There wasn't that much momentum. I didn't really like how I was moving. So I just decided to hold off on it, and it did end up like barely tapping my TP, literally by on that tick, like my potential TP. But I just didn't take it. We pushed down, and then we pushed right back up. Got this breakout of this 21,900 level right at 710. So on the next candle, I decided to hop in. So tell me why there's three dojis, 15 minutes of just straight down, pushed up, push down, pushed up, right? So I got in with my Apex account. I got in with 550Ks, so my full size, and then I got in with my three of my Topstep combines. Um, and we were chopping around for a while. After we got like to this third candle of me being in, I'm like, okay, I'm kind of losing confidence in this trade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take one out at a break even. I want to see which one that was. So I just took this one off. As you can see, it's still $1,000 away. I only made $19, but I'm like, let me just take it out just in case like this goes in the opposite direction because I'm kind of losing confidence. But I'm not gonna like just get out of the whole trade because I still felt like I was gonna hit my TP. And next candle, boom, boom, boom. Next candle just shot up beautifully, took me out for $1,100. Got this one up to 53,000, and then this other one as well got it up to 53,000. One of them was off by like $20, so I just like bought in on like one contract or three, whatever, and sold to get it over. But I've now officially passed two of the combines right here and right here, as you guys can see. From the beginning, I said I probably should have just traded them together. I don't know why I was like trying to do them individually because now I have two that are passed. I have one that's $1,000, and then I have two that still need like at least two trading days. So I'm kind of like, I guess I'll just continue trading the evals like starting next week. It's gonna be a little bit confusing because I'm also gonna start a take profit trader account because I really 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 want those daily payouts, which would be beautiful. But I'm gonna start that. So I think I'm gonna have my 10 Apex PAs. I've only been trading five, but I think next week I'm gonna start trading all 10 of them because my Apex PAs are now like really close to a payout. So I think I'm gonna start the next one so I can kind of stagger it. So I can have like five of them I get a payout on one day, and then five of them like the next week. So I can kind of like stagger the payouts that way for Apex. And then same with Topstep. I'm gonna have two that I'm gonna start trading next week, and then I'll try to pass three more. So then I can start trading all five together. Um, it was kind of dumb of me to trade them individually. I don't really know why I did that because now I have two that are passed, a couple that aren't. So I don't know, but I'm gonna try to get the next three passed. Hopefully, tomorrow I can get this last one passed, so I can have three starting next week, and then only two more that I need. But obviously, if there's not a trade, I'm not gonna sit there and force it. But we'll see about that. Probably I will end up having two or three Topstep evals still needing to pass next week, which I'll probably pass in the first like Monday or Tuesday, and then have all five together. So I don't even know if I'll take a trade on the two by then. And then I also am going to start a Topstep, or not Topstep, a take profit trader account as well. But let me explain to you how I screwed myself over here, right? So my Topstep accounts, they were fine. I set it up, boom, quick like 22 points to get me 1,000 because I was using 25 contracts, boom, 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 whatever, cool. My Apex accounts, I had a 30-point take profit and a 30-point stop loss. So let me show this to you. I got in at basically the same point, like a couple points above, right? Tell me why. Literally, this pushes up. So I got out of my Topstep trade. It like hit its limit or whatever. It's take profit. This one, it pushed up, wicked back down, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna move my stop to break even, right? So I cancel my stop. I go and put my other stop, but bro, my dumb self, my dumb self, what I did was I still, when I placed my TP, I obviously had a sell limit. So I still had my sell limit order. It wasn't at a sell stop. So I went and I placed right here at 21,918.75, but I put a sell limit instead of a sell stop. So it literally just got me out of the trade at like 18 points or something like that. And then of course, the trades ends up literally taking my take profit. So that was very unfortunate. I was definitely not happy about that. I ended up losing out on like a rack, like from accidentally getting out, which is very sad. I was very upset about that. But it is what it is. I still made over 1K on the day. I made like 1,200. I just could have made like 2,000. If it hit my TP, I just took it out like one or two, like 1/3 early. I guess like I took it out when my trade was only like 2/3 of the way there, which is very unfortunate because now obviously this is like less than a 1-to-1, so it's gonna screw up. Like this was a 1-to-1, but since I accidentally took it out, now it's like a 0.75 or 0.7, which makes it a lot worse for like my stats and whatnot. But either way, I mean, there's nothing I can do about it now. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and try to make that money or whatever. It's just it is what it is. Made profit on the day. Moving on to tomorrow, and then trying to end the week strong. That was the first trade I took on my 5 PAs this week, so I am up over 1,000 across. Split between some of them. I am slowly building them. I should hopefully, if the market acts well, I should get a Apex payout by the end of June, and then also as well, now that I've passed my Topstep account, I should potentially get a Topstep payout by the end of June, which would be beautiful. And 1 month, starting literally starting at the beginning of June. When I came back, I started Topstep evals, and then by the end of June, I'd have my first payout, which would be absolutely beautiful, unless something catastrophic happens and I sell myself. But that's what we're looking at for today. So past two Topstep evals, made a band on the Apex accounts. That's what we're looking at right now. Like I said, take profit trader. I'll probably start that next week. Now that I have, like my thing was I wanted to focus on the Topstep evals first. Once I got them passed and started trading PAs, I would trade take profit trader. So that's what I'm thinking about. But also, I don't know because if I already have 3 Topstep evals, I still need to pass. Then if I just do one take profit trader, I can just trade them together. I don't know. That's something I have to think about. See how much I want to risk because the rules for take profit trader are basically the same. Only difference is that you need to have 5 trading days, so it just takes longer. But that's what we're looking at now, man. I don't got into too much to talk to you guys about. I appreciate you guys for watching. One thing I do want to say is that most of the time you are your worst enemy. Like my analysis has been on point. My executions have been on point. Like my entries have been on point. Like everything. But I just missed out on $1,000 today, dang near, because I just straight up user error. It had nothing to do with the trade at all. If I had just left it, it would have hit. But yeah, so that's what it is. I appreciate you guys for watching, man. And I'll talk to y'all boys later. Peace.